Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST Diesel. For the 2020 model year, they brought the new 3-liter inline 6 Duramax diesel. I say that because it's not really made by Duramax, but they put the Duramax name. Anyway, brought the light-duty diesel segment to the Silverado. This one's pretty well optioned, RST trim, the Duramax of course, and a couple cool other little options here and there. Your screen cleaning cloth. Total price of this one's $54,910 with your All-Star Edition, your Duramax, which is $3,800, convenience package 2, leather package, and trailer brake controller. The size of the turbo under the hood is pretty impressive. If the engine wasn't so hot, I'd open it, but I don't want to burn myself. I've driven a couple of these new light-duty diesels, and I'm a huge fan. I love the heavy-duty trucks, the power behind them, the torque, and this brings it down into a very, very much more approachable truck. Nice leather. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and take it out on the road. Bunch of different drive modes too. You have sport, tow haul, normal, and off-road. I've been driving it in sport, and I experimented with tow haul a little bit. There's not a ton of differences between all of them, but the steering's a little bit heavier in sport. Throttle's a little bit more sensitive. You know, just decent changes that liven up the character of the truck just a little bit. This is nice. It makes a little impromptu suspension test. See how it handles. Not bad at all. So for those who don't really know the engineering behind diesels, they are compression-based ignition engines. There is no spark in these engines. There's no spark plugs. Instead, there is glow plugs that you use to start it. So that's why when it's really, really cold, sometimes diesels take a little bit longer to warm up and to start, because there's no spark. It's based purely on combustion. Compression. So the fuel ignites when the piston comes up to the top of the block, and that compression is what ignites the fuel. Pretty ingenious stuff. That glow plug makes it so the internal environment's warm enough for it to ignite. Other than that, it's a pretty cool design. I love them, honestly. And they are plenty quick. Especially, the torque falls off above 3,500, and it redlines at, I haven't seen it shift past 4,000. But 1,500 RPM, it's phenomenal. Tons of torque. And then even up to like 3,000, it still has tons of torque. It's a very down-low engine. Doesn't like to be revved out too much, and it doesn't need to either to access the power that you're wanting. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of airflow in here. You can see very, very responsive. These are actually quite rare too. I haven't seen another one hit inventory yet. I think we have 2 right now, and that's pretty much what we're gonna have unless we get custom orders in. But it's a shame because these are really great trucks. I've driven the Sierra with the diesel a bunch, and these trucks are phenomenal. Get some room. Really, really responsive transmission in low for the gear limitation. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.